it has its advantages din kasi. So I'm talking about the advantages now na parang if you're living life in the slow lane, mas marami kang bagay na magagawa na quality. If you know what I mean. Like for example, if you do things without multitasking, kunyari focusing on one thing and then the next, most probably yung result or yung output na ginawa mo is mas maganda compared to kapag nag-multitask ka or minadali mo and wala kang mamimiss na like say steps to complete the process. Wait lang, andito na yata yung parcel ko. Wait. Alright, kinuha ko lang yung parcel ko. If y'all are, asking ano ba yung parcel ko, well, it's a mop. It's something about cleaning my room is na-enjoy ko na, like vacuuming, nagwawalis na ako, ganun, fixing once a week, twice a week if kaya. I mean, vacuum is once a week. So, itong mop siguro once a week din. Pero yung pagwawalis, I try to do it at least twice or thrice a week. Kasi, ewan ko, masaya lang na malinis yung kwarto. Like siguro part na rin yun ng magiging matanda or pagtanda. And again, hindi pa ako masyadong matanda. It's just, the shift in siguro environment and mentality. Medyo, like ganun na talaga yun. Anyways, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, like the advantages of living in the slow lane, di ba? So, doing things slowly will make you, do the steps even doing this all the steps that you need to accomplish that specific thing that you wanted to do. Tapos mas maganda yung quality niya kasi hindi ka nga magkakamali, so that's one advantage of doing things in the slow lane. Tapos syempre another one is less yung anxiety mo. So syempre pag nagmamadali ka kasi, like para